Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. I'm Gav and I'm from Sweet Design, and today we are installing decal stickers, and this is just like a little video just to show you the difference between the backing papers and how to apply it. You can go straight for cars and car bodies, the glass in cars, and also shops and stuff. So I've just got two boards, and we have a king and a queen in gold vinyl, and this is just technically to show you the different materials, because this is like a paper releasing agent and this is a plastic form. So it is just a little quick instruction how to do it. So what it is just sort of getting it equal as much as you possibly can with a ruler off a straight line. Obviously it gets a little bit harder if it's not a straight, if you haven't got a straight line to go off for, but not a problem. So that is pretty much where we are. So like this I have done, it's like a joint in, it's like a book. Is it like, not like a book? Yeah, so you peel one side then go to the other. So that is the plastic. Then we have got the paper backed, obviously this is a little bit harder because it's not got the wording on the bottom. Up with your eye, because there's no real straight line you can go off for. So that's that. Usually people might want to put a full piece across, it doesn't really matter. It just acts like it, not a joint, it's like a hinge, that's right. So it acts like a hinge. So what we've got is a blagger. You can use a plastic card, you know, like a loyalty card or anything like that, just a cheap plastic one if you don't have it. This one's plastic on one end and just got like a soft felt on another end. Then you just make sure you press it down so it's not, so it can be stuck. The plastic sticks a lot better to the backing sheet than the paper. It always, I find it always flaps about a bit. So what you do is fold it over, pull it carefully. Obviously, where's my scissors? I don't have my scissors. So I have a knife. So I cut the backing, flip it. So then, you know, that's in position. So as the wording says, you blag it. So this is blagging it down. So that side's stuck, so you can literally take that bit off, turn it over, bend it over, and peel remaining backing off. And just go with it, just go along with it. Obviously, harder it gets, the bigger the vinyl. The wider the, and obviously it's a little bit different. So just try and go, I go from middle outwards. There might be some creases every so often, but you can pull it back, re-go over it. So I will do the plastic backed one. Same as, sorry, need to make sure it sticks to that plastic and doesn't want to stick to your backing. Sometimes it can stick to your backing. You just got to keep on easing it off, trying it, make sure it don't stick, and just try not to put out on the vinyl because it'll stick to it. And there you go. So we can take this, acts like a hinge. So we'll just take that away. I mean, for small stickers like this, you don't even have to hinge it. You could take the backing off and place it on with just using your eye. So you just push it out to edges, and that is your two vinyls stuck. So what you've got is your back sheet, which obviously there's a paper one, which all I do, pull it, you drag it down with it right next to the wall. So if you're pulling it like this, it might pull some vinyl off. It all just depends on what you're sticking to the back. Obviously if it's a wall with bubbles or wallpaper or something, it might be a little bit less wanting to, it might want to come off with the backing paper. But same as plastic, just peel it like a sticker, just peel the corner like a sticker, and it will just, and all I do is just drag it along with it. There you see it's stuck up then, so it tries to stick it. So you do is roll it back, finger, if you don't want to go, obviously blag it a little bit more, and obviously you don't want to stick there. Just use your finger and try and pull it away if you get odd little stubborn bits like that, because they're quite thin. So, and there you go, you have got two vinyls, gold vinyls, and they are stuck. And like I say, they'll in, I'd say in about an hour be able to wash them, stuff like that. Just let them dry off a little bit. I mean, they're not wet like, but just let them have that little bit of a grab onto it, and then you can wash them or whatever you want to do after them. Obviously you've got that little bit of a raised, but this is just a little instruction how to fit vinyl decal stickers with two different backings, a paper backing and a plastic backing, which they are pretty much the same. Obviously with a plastic backing you can see the design and get it measured up quicker than the paper one. But thank you for watching. I hope this has helped. Please like, please subscribe, please comment if you've got any questions. I'm quite happy to try and answer them as best as I can, and look forward to seeing you on the next video. Cheers, bye.